Welcome to M365 Professional. The QView for virtual visits and bookings in Microsoft Teams provides your staff with a dashboard to monitor all virtual appointments for the day with real-time status updates. From the QView, you can add a new booking view, relevant appointment details such as appointment time, reason for visit, and see appointment statuses throughout the day in real time, so you can track the client's status over the duration of the virtual visit. When a client joins the waiting room, the status changes and waiting time is tracked. The QView automatically refreshes with color-coded updates, so changes can be easily identified. If a client is running late for an appointment, the scheduler can send a text message reminder from the QV, which helps reduce no-shows. If a client has been waiting, the scheduler can use a filter to check the provider's schedule. The timestamp indicates the previous appointment is going over, so a chat message is sent to notify the client of the delay. Enhanced virtual visit experiences and improved team collaboration with queuing features for virtual visits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.